I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tursu, or pickled vegetables. We will begin by understanding the basic concept of pickling and why it is such a popular method for food preservation. Then, we will dive into the specific steps and ingredients needed to create your own delicious and crunchy tursu right at home. This full guide will help you master the art of homemade pickles, ensuring fantastic results every time. To start your tursu journey, gather your fresh vegetables. Cucumbers, carrots, and green beans are excellent choices, but feel free to experiment with others. You will need a brine made from 4 cups of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of pickling salt. Don't forget aromatics like several cloves of garlic, a few sprigs of fresh dill, and about 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns for that perfect taste. First, wash and chop your vegetables into uniform pieces, ensuring they fit well into your jars. Next, sterilize your glass jars and lids to prevent spoilage. Tightly pack the vegetables into the jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Then, carefully pour the prepared brine over the vegetables, making sure they are completely submerged. You can use a fermentation weight to keep everything below the liquid. After preparing your jars, let them ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 2 weeks. You will notice small bubbles forming, indicating fermentation. Once fermented to your liking, transfer the jars to the refrigerator. Your delicious homemade tursu will stay fresh for several months, ready to be enjoyed as a crisp side dish or a flavorful snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.